Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Gemma Biranbaham. And if you're new to this channel, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification button so you will be updated every time I have a new video. So today we are cooking roasted chicken thighs and chicken legs. I mix chicken thighs and chicken legs with a lot of vegetable. First of all, my chicken thighs and the chicken legs are already cleaned, washed, and marinated with some seasonings like basil, rosemary, lemon zest, celery salt, garlic powder, black pepper, and onion powder too. We will put some more additional seasonings when we put it all in the baking dish. I already chopped celery, washed already, of course. They are all washed. I have here carrots, so this is thin, so that's okay to put it there because the chicken will take a long time to cook. Just cut our carrots into sticks. I have a better knife. Carrots, cut our carrots into sticks. And this is squash. It's a different squash from the hometown I grew up. So I asked my husband to bring me a squash for my pinakbet, and he brought something like this, so I didn't use it. This is kind of cucumber squash or zucchini squash. Just cut it into sticks too. This is how it looks. And I have green beans here. Just clean it up. Remove the both sides and remove the both ends and the sides, like the string on the side. Just throw it there. You can also put some red bell pepper or green bell pepper if you have them, or any vegetables that you like to eat. We can mix onion here too because we will season it all at the same time. We can cut our onions into wedges or cubes, as long as it's not too small, so it will not be easily burnt. And I will be putting some ginger roots. Ginger root, some garlic, drop it there. Season it with rosemary, black pepper, celery salt, garlic powder, that's it, and put some olive oil or vegetable oil, avocado oil, any oil you have in your kitchen, and just pour it there. It's tiny hole, that's why it's taking too long. And toast it. mix. With the chicken, I marinated it with lemon juice, the half of this lemon juice, lemon, and some of this tasty zesty basil, thyme, and lemon zest, and some rosemary too, and celery salt. Preheat our oven into 425 or 400. It depends on your frequency of your oven. Frequency. This is the baking dish. Spray some oil spray. And pour our vegetables. I hope I didn't forget. Oh, I forgot my potatoes. I knew it. I knew I forgot something. The potatoes. This is a whole potatoes because there are small and the soft potato, soft kind of a potato. So it's good. It's okay to be. It's okay. Just whole. Drop it all in there. Spread it all. Okay. We can put this inside too afterwards, after we finish our chickens. Just 3 of us, but this is 10 pieces, I guess. Oh, 9 pieces. Oh, I don't think I did that. There you go. It's all fixed. So we can cut this, although I already have lemon zest in there. I just want to put this lemon peel to make some smell. Just put it in the sides. Let's just put it all in there. And when the oven is ready, we'll put it inside and wait for it. Oh, say hi.
Hi!
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone! Hi everyone! Please subscribe.
Our pan of chicken is already inside the oven. I cover it first with aluminum foil for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, take off the cover and cook for another 30 minutes to make sure the inside of the chicken is cooked. So 30 minutes is over. So we are taking off this foil so we can cook it completely. Cover it back. It's still on for 25. Hey guys, if you can see this, our chicken. We just need to turn it on the other side. Ooh, look at that. the whole potatoes I put a while ago is already soft. See? So, because it's kind of soft potatoes and small. And it's not really done yet. If you can see, this one chicken here is kind of, there's a bloody thing coming out there. So we need to put it back in the oven and keep on cooking. So we will pair this with our roasted chicken. It's already flavored and everything. We just throw it inside the oven for 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 9 minutes. So when we take out our chicken, bring down the heat into 375, and that's it. Supper will be ready. Okay guys, now that our chicken is all cooked, it's time to turn down the heat from 400 into 375 degrees Fahrenheit for our garlic bread. Just follow the instructions on the package and we're all set. Dinner is ready.